Meaning of inhumanity.
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 Inhumanity. The term inhumanity refers to the lack of compassion, kindness, or empathy towards other living beings. It describes actions or behaviors that are cruel, brutal, and devoid of humanity. Inhumanity can manifest in various forms such as violence, discrimination, oppression, neglect, and abuse. The consequences of inhumanity can be devastating, leaving lasting scars on individuals and society as a whole. It leads to a breakdown of trust, a rise in conflict and aggression, and a loss of faith in humanity. In order to build a better world, it is essential to reject inhumanity in all its forms and strive towards greater empathy, kindness, and compassion.